how you can edit your Reddit post. Now this is really simple. So before we move on with that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now let's start. First, go to the Reddit post, and after you've gone to the Reddit post, just as you can see, I have created a very random test. Random test, it's nothing, a very random post. So what you need to do is just click on your three dots right there, and after you click on it, just click on edit post. And after you click on edit post, you can see the edit option pop up. So now you can just edit it however you want. Just gonna write gibberish, and just you can even save it now. And after you save it, you will be able to just edit your post right there. So that is how you edit your Reddit's post. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.